Oh,
my Balenci Sudigas. Can't really go nowhere without my vape if you drive a Subi, you know?
it's pure dragon fluid running through there. In finishing the wide body kit, I have a bunch of homies that really want to see the car in person. So I have a few homies, Matt Robb and Tony Montano. They really want to see the car in person wide body. So what I told them is, I'll pull up. Let me pull up. He dropped me an address to where they're at. I'm gonna show up and I'm gonna show them the wide body kit of my car. Now they did see the wheels previously in my garage. I'm selling my wheels tomorrow. I can't forget. Anyways, let's head out there right now. Yo, after last video of the first time driving my wide body Subaru WRX, I have been kind of addicted to driving my car. As most of you guys know, I like to drive a lot already, and it's kind of like my escape. But when she's thick, it's different. Am I gonna scrape? Bye. All right, we are off to the boys' house. Cannot wait to show them the car, guys. They're ready for it. It's gonna be awesome. Pull up, wide body Subi. Bro, I can totally say now, I drive a wide body Subaru WRX. Yo, what you drive? Wide body WRX. Yo, what you drive? Oh, what's up, bro? I drive a wide body Subaru WRX. Yo, are you River? No, I'm River that drives a wide body Subaru WRX. I'm sorry, guys. It mildly is a flex, and I'm gonna mildly flex it a little bit every once in a while. I don't know. I didn't feel like I deserved to after I did all the freaking work. Took forever. So worth it. Oh my gosh. In the meantime, let's bump some new Polo G. Oh, the whole album goes so hard. I love it. Polo J. We'll start with some Flex featuring Juice WRLD. Oh my gosh. What an amazing album.
Wishing like the Warriors, all my niggas gon' shoot. He gon' have to take a loss, so my niggas gon'
Do you guys ever eat a brand new piece of gum?
What's up, dude? I'm a big fan of you.
No way?
Yeah.
Dude, check out the kit, dude. Yeah, bro, I just did it.
I like that.
I got it done like yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, it's fire.
Thanks, bro. Does it look good? What's up?
I like your merchant shit.
Yo, bet, dude. Thank you so much, for real. Yeah. No way. That's sick, bro. Yo, don't you guys hate it when you put in a brand new piece of gum and it's so minty, you can't even function? I start trying to swallow, I'm like, I start like choking on how minty it is, and I can't breathe, swallow, or even think. It kind of screws me up. I almost feel like chewing gum and driving should almost be illegal. Yeah, you think, nah, illegal. That's not the move. Bro, is that lit or what, boys?
Bro!
Oh, yo.
Can I get a snap?
What?
Can I post it?
Yeah?
I can?
Alright, screw it, dude, just do it.
Fuck it, I'm posting.
Alright, bet.
First league.
First leak, let's go. Bro, is that insane or what? Just take a sec.
Just give me 1 sec.
Just take a sec, bro. Bro, give me some skin. I was like, alright, this is the boys' first time seeing this. They've been wanting to see it in person, so this is a reaction.
Fucking insane, bro.
Yo.
Shit, hey, but you see, hey, shout out to D&M though, you see.
Oh,
with
let's
the
go,
drip.
merch plug, let's go. Dude, insane, right? Remember we were talking about it and you guys seen the wheels? Do you remember when they were in the garage?
Bro,
Gosh.
I remember that.
Bro.
Like,
Isn't that insane? Bro, remember? Like, oh my gosh,
bro,
I can't believe how it looks.
remember, bro. Yo, this used to be stock.
I know, bro.
Wow.
It's insane,
Bro,
dude.
this is a race car, bro. This is a built, not bought.
I just can't believe how insane it looks and how good it looks with the kit, dude.
Have you
Like,
even hit a vape with this thing on yet?
dude, I have not hit the vape.
I was not expecting it to look like
That's
this,
like a
bro.
car
This
on Need for Speed.
like, bro.
Bro, I know, dude. I was
I'm
tripping,
so
dude.
hyped.
In the video, bro, I lower it and I dropped it and I was like, no way. No way, bro.
Yo, hey, so you're making the first vlog for the
This is the first, like,
This is an Instagram model Subi.
complete vlog?
yeah.
Complete wide body?
Yeah, we're making a complete vlog right now.
Oh, let's go.
Bro, that's a lens right there, huh? That lens is dope.
Oh my gosh, bro.
My Balenci Sudigas.
My boy got the ones on
You know, the
custom though.
ones.
Custom.
I didn't even finish painting them yet, but I still rocking, you know, just to fucking match the drip DNA.
Yo, let's go. No, for real though, like, is it bad? Oh my gosh, alright.
I want to know how, like, this piece is getting held on.
On
the inside or something?
1, 2, no dude, just one here,
Just those
here,
four?
here. And then it goes down and I actually have it linked in here.
Oh, okay.
So these two are
Okay.
technically connected.
Yep.
which, dude, it's so impossible to get them.
That's a whole other piece too.
Yeah, this is a whole nother piece.
Oh, I love this like rubber
trim?
part though. Yeah.
I know, bro. So sick, huh?
No fucking
Hey,
way.
respect to the Subi on the come up, though.
Hey,
Respect to
you
the
gotta give a
Subi.
little respect to the Subi. I mean, there's nothing done to it. You can just see the wheel. I mean, really.
It's gas, bro.
It's stock, bro.
Bro.
I did say that once upon a vlog that I am gonna keep it stock because it makes it unique.
Not a lot of people have stock ones,
Not
dude.
a lot of people have a stock Subi, so like, I mean, but I do have the drip of the stickers. I do have all kinds of that drip, but it's fast. It's so fast, bro.
Anyway, I was honestly kind of surprised on how wide it made it.
Dude, how good it came out.
I
though.
know, let's go,
Oh,
bro.
how good the paint came out,
Dude, like it's matched perfect, huh?
Who painted it?
Jake, yeah, from State Farm, yeah, that homie. I called him out and said, yo, you paint cars? He says, nah, but I know people.
Falcon. This vlog that you're watching right now is just a banger.
Banger.
I remember when River had the bug. What year was it?
64,
A
dude.
64 bug when he was like this big. Hair
something.
was like, he was just a happy dude, like just always so lit. I remember when he had that, and then I remember when he got his first Subaru, black WRX, bro, and then like it was just up from there. Bro, when
as
did
you go,
get the black?
you know what
I
I'm
don't
saying?
remember him be there though, like the last time I saw him.
Honestly, the last time you seen it, they probably weren't.
Okay.
But my cousin Ivy gave them to me because she bought some, and they came in a pack of 4.
What?
So I was like, oh, I guess I'll have some of those then. That's dope.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you bring stickers?
So over here we got the custom housing painted with straight vibranium, and that actually is for weight reduction. So
Look, right here we have this big hole, right? So what it does is it's a big hole. That's this is just pure honesty. It wouldn't look good if it didn't have imperfections.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Let's go.
damn.
You know
Let's
what
go.
I'm saying?
Yes,
it would
sir.
not look good if it did not have imperfections.
all dogs
True.
go to heaven.
You know. The APR Performance Wing.
That's heat, dude. That's heat.
The APR Performance Wing. Designed, engineered, and literally hand built by me. For example, you're driving down the freeway and people see it.
So as you can see, there's a little bit of imperfections on the wide body here, but that's actually normal because this wide body kit was actually built for the GTR. We did some modifications to make it fit on the Subi. Oh, we smoke fat vapes. Can't really go nowhere without my vape if you drive a Subi, you know. As you can see, my Subi right there.
Hey, if you see the Subi, bro, the Subi, you can't.
First look, you might think it's all stock interior, but these are actually aftermarket bucket seats, and they're actually made out of pure carbon fiber for weight reduction. They just look like they're stock. I actually do like the look though. They're real sleek, and I like the all black and everything like that. So you can only get in this car because it's fucking checks over stripes.
Real quick, just something about the engine fluids. It's pure dragon fluid running through there. Dragon blood, straight up. And that's all it runs.
Last year alone, my boy spent $50K on just straight fuel for this fucking car right here. It's actually funny because we took it to the airstrip the other day because the jets were taking off and stuff, neck and neck with the jets. So I'd say it competes.
An F-35 fighter jet, hand built by me, obviously. Alright, but enough of this. Let's hit the stew. Let's go see if there's good lighting in the studio.
Let's
so that
do
way
it.
we can get some nice pics.
Wait, like rapping stew?
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Like I'm talking bars and
Bars.
bars and bars and bars and let's go.
Because like, you know how you kind of get people looking at you? Yeah. Well, now I hella notice it, dude. Like more. And I'm not even like saying that and like bragging. No way, bro. It actually really happens now. Bro. The stew. This is sick, bro. And you got all the foam ready to go. Let's do it.
But I'm sure some of you see me in some vlogs.
Yes.
Once upon a vlog ago. Anyway, I got some music coming for what?
You gotta be like, if you guys didn't know, I do make music and I do got some new shit.
Bro, hold on. I gotta plug my mic in.
Yeah,
Be like this, you gotta do. You gotta say,
Actually, it's unreleased, so you guys about to witness something super dope. All right, play that shit.
Hey Eddie, you fine. Caught a whip, flossing it. Catch me with another bitch. Caught a whip, another bitch. Caught a whip, you a miss. Watch your wrist, watch your wrist. Got my wrist, gotta whip that shit. Running up these dollars, money. Shawty wanna holler at me. I'm another I love to see the real, never have it my way. But then I'll fly away, I'm in the sky. I'm flyer than a motherfucker, birds chirping sideways. I'm flyer, flyer, sky high, fly by. Flyer, flyer, so fly, so. Running up these dollars, money, shawty wanna holler at me. Hopped another Maserati, foreign eating up a bocce. She feeling my wrist, rolling diamonds on my fist. Sexy down the attitude, tracking she can get.